Hi everyone. Tonight for supper, I'll be making black bean enchilada casserole. What all goes into the black bean enchilada casserole? 12 corn tortillas, 10-ounce can red or green enchilada sauce, I have red, 15-ounce can pinto beans, drained and rinsed, 15-ounce can black beans, drained and rinsed, 15-ounce can corn, drained, 1 tablespoon minced garlic, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon pepper, 1 cup Mexican-style cheese. This is optional. Now, after you have it all cooked and you want to put toppings on it, you can put your favorite toppings: sour cream, guacamole, chopped up tomatoes, green onions. I got to use those up. They're getting kind of sad looking, and Mexican cheese. So let's begin. Preheat the oven to 350. Take a 9 by 13 baking dish and spray it with nonstick cooking spray. I just have the disposable here. And set it aside. In a medium bowl, dump in your rinsed and drained pinto beans, your drained and rinsed black beans, your drained corn, and these are all 15 ounces, your 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, your 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, and mix that until everything is combined. Set that aside. Take your 10 ounces of enchilada sauce, pour half of it on the bottom of the pan, and spread that out. Take 6 tortillas, put them on top of the enchilada sauce. They will overlap. Then take half of the bean mixture and put on top of the tortillas. Then take 6 more tortillas, put over the bean mixture. And then put the remaining of the beans on top of the tortillas. Then put the remaining of the enchilada sauce over the beans. Then, if you're using, sprinkle your Mexican blend cheese on top, 1 cup. Put it in a preheated 350-degree oven for 30 to 35 minutes. So then you can top this off however you want. I'm going to put some tame jalapenos on. And I'm going to put some green onions. Some chopped tomatoes. I'm going to add some more Mexican blend cheese. And then after I dish it up, I'll garnish it with guacamole and sour cream. So here is the black bean enchilada casserole. Rounding out the meal is brown rice. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Well, I'm pretty sure I know which one is the taste test.
Here comes Buddy.
This has peppers, bud. It's a nice mix of flavors.
That is black bean enchilada casserole. There's no meat in it.
Like it. It's got a lot of flavor.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.